Hi guys, what's up? What are we gonna do now?
I want to go to the airplane.
I wanna go to the beach.
Yo, let's go to Boracay.
Boracay?
Yes.
Alright, let's go! Yo, where are we now?
Azalea.
Check-in muna tayo. You okay?
Yes.
Are you tired?
No.
Ready to swim?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Mm. Oh, chuck it. Wow!
TBH, the best hotel. I'm excited for swimming. It's been a long time since I've been swimming.
We went to Bohol 4. Now you are
6.
6. Alright.
7.
6, 7.
I used to think maybe you love me. Now, baby, I'm sure. And I just can't wait till the day when you're not.
We're enjoying the beautiful beach of Boracay. Yeah. Elvis, look at the beautiful
Now, every time I go for the medal, I gotta hold myself down.
Yo, it's gonna turn purple.
'Cause I just can't wait till the right day you're coming around.
Only in the body.
Not walking on sunshine.
Is it cold? Is it
No,
cold or warm?
no.
Enjoy the pool.
Day by day we push away, never stop, we find out.
Hi guys, what's up? Good morning here in Boracay. It's our day 2 of our stay here. So the kids are having breakfast. 30.
Yeah.
Wow, ang galing nga. Oh, careful anak ha. Ayan, timpla siya ng sarili niya.
Milk.
Ano yan? Morning drink.
This is from Korea. From my tita. She gave it to us.
Wow.
This it says Pokemon.
Tingin? Patingin? Oh.
Pokemon.
Wow. Anong taste niya?
Parang Milo, but
More
more sweet.
Wow. Are you ready
Yes.
to eat the
Daily.
pancake?
They daily walk from the beach.
Okay. So, what are we going to do today?
We're going to swim
We're gonna swim in the
With-
beach again.
with Joaquin.
Dadating na sila Kuya Joaquin.
Yes.
Alright. So, but before swimming, we will walk in the beach first. Okay? Sa sunrise. Okay?
Okay.
Sarap niya na.
Eggs!
Wow.
Favorite, no? Scrambled egg
Ano yan? Breakfast.
in bed
Okay.
with the kids. Yes,
Galingan mo
excited
dyan,
na
ah.
mag-walking later.
Galingan.
Tapos kumain ng madami.
Galingan mo dyan, boy, ha?
Kaya maging mataba.
Jordi, you don't know this recording, right?
Ayan yung bed namin. Si Johan, ako, tsaka si Kobe, tapos si Mami, and si 30.
I'm standing on the highest ledge, right on the world's most windy edge,
Yan!
and
Yan!
making a brand new pledge
Ganda na kay Kobe, may pinta, oh.
to never live my
Ay,
life in
Johan.
fear, to make my purpose.
What are you doing?
I'm stuck. It feels like quicksand.
Yo, papa ka nang nakasando. About you, 30, what are you doing to Kuya?
Removing the sand.
Removing the sand. Okay.
It's like quicksand.
It's not
Magpaitim muna tayo dito sa Boracay. Oh, nasaan na sila?
Nasa may tapat daw sila ng cherries.
Tapat ng Jerry. Asa may Jerry?
Maganda sila ng banig boss. Meron tayong mga clip jumping doon, kayaking, tapos meron tayong sliding po noon. At saka meron po tayo doon na women po, galing sa bukid.
Hanapin natin yung mga bata. Pinahita kang parang mga kahoy lang dyan na palutang-lutang sila dito. How are you?
Good.
Mukha ka ng ano?
French fries.
French fries.
A Jollibee.
Ang itim mo na. Oh, para ka ng uling. Wow. Did you enjoy your swimming? Nice one. Very good ka ba? Very good. How about you? Huh?
I'm just
Ang itim mo na din. Perry, Perry.
Nam 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 nam.
Nam nam nam. Nam nam nam. What's nam nam nam? What's nam nam nam?
Yummy.
Wow, yummy. Hey, hey, hey.
Eating Jollibee.
Para ka ng ano? Taga Boracay talaga. Para kang nag-aalok ng ano doon, para sailing. Uy! What's up? What's up, dude? Nag-swimming ka na? Swimming ka na? Very good.
Saan ka ba? Dito ka, dito ka.
Elvis, yummy? Yummy?
Ay, sorry. Ano?
Namumula na yung biscuit ni Elvis. Namumula na yung mukha ni Elvis. How about you? Para mapanood ni Dada.
Mong kainin yung buko. Ito,
Ay,
ito lang, ito lang, ito
wow,
lang.
Elvis.
Yan.
Ay, wow. Ay, wow. Inubos ang buko juice.
Battery ng GoPro ni Ryan. Baka battery lang yung sira.
Wow.
I want buko juice.
I want buko juice.
Yan.
Ang galing naman ni Elvis. Uy.
Gusto talaga niya silipin sa loob talaga.
Sinisilip
Huwag mo
mo dyan.
ilaglag yung straw natin. Mahirapan na tayong uminom.
Perry, what are you doing? Kuya. Lolo. Tedo, itakpan niyo si Kuya Joaquin. Saan tayo?
D-Mall. Ngayon, hahanapin natin yung Mango Mama.
Mango Mama.
Yes.
Saan mo na naman nakita
Shave
yan?
Ice. TikTok.
Pabili na ng damit tsaka red magnet. Ngayon, hanapin namin yung Mango Mama.
Tuwa daw.
Dulo kaliwa. So, bibili ng red magnet. T-shirt, bags, keychain. Turista? Turista yarn? Ayun na, Mango Mama. Daming tao. Parang sobrang iba na to since last na nagpunta dito. Ganda ng dami na. Ano, success.
Yes. Let's try. Taste test. Kung masarap or for the hype. Let's try.
Tagal mo. Ano na ako? Ay, sarap. Sarap siya. Wow.
Sipa-sipa mo.
May tamis, may alat.
Di, ito pa lang yun. Ano ba to, Gabi? Sarap ah. Sarap.
Yung ano, yung suman.
Ito, suman.
Hindi siya matamis.
With mango. Sarap. May alat siya eh, no? Pero hindi nakasawa. Sarap yan, boy. Yan o.
Dad,
Sarap.
Daddy, sama mo ako sa swimming.
Ha?
Sama
Swimming?
mo ako-
Swimming again? Again and again?
Meanwhile,
Go, Thirdy! Go, Thirdy!
Welcoming all world-class sunsets, vibrant nightlife. When in Boracay, never goodbye. Sa Boracay, sumayaw ang amoy sabay-sabay. Boracay, the happiest island in the world.
Go, Thirdy!
Raise your arms in the air and say Boracay, Boracay, the happiest island in the world. Happy, happy. Boracay.
Nice one! Nice one! Ted, galing mo ah! Ted, galing mo ah! Nice one! Nice one!
yeah, the rhythm hits like a tropical storm. Uninhibited souls, we rise and transform. Reggae beats free the captive mind. In this dance of life, we leave all worries behind. Rasta revolution, we're breaking the chains. Just children singing, no more sorrows or pains. This music's our weapon, our joy, our decree. Uninhibited now, forever.
Hi guys, good morning. Bali, pauwi na kami ngayon ng Manila. And ito, gisingin natin sila. Teddy! Hey, good morning! Morning!
Good morning.
Morning! Kuya. Are you ready to go home?
No,
Why?
school.
School.
We're going to the
43,
Yeah.
49. Tara.